I wanted to share a thrift store find with you that I brought home today. And it is a stereo receiver. It is the realistic model number STA-2500 if you want to look that up. And it is a 100 watt per channel stereo receiver. That's what it's rated at, I believe. And I haven't done a whole lot of research on it, but I did find, I'm glancing over the PDF right now, and man, it seems like a solid little receiver. It's physically heavy, and I don't know, I'm guessing around close to 20 pounds, if maybe more. And it looks like it was built to last. And from some of the forums I found about this particular receiver, it looks like it was made in the mid 80s, and MSRP was around $500. And man, this thing looks like it's in really good shape for how old it is. And what I'm assuming, I'm just going to take a guess that whoever can afford, a $500 receiver with all the components needed for it to work, be a complete system, maybe used it 5 to 10 years on average, put it away someplace nice and maybe environmentally controlled even, because it looks so well taken care of, and not too many dings and scratches on it. And at this point in these pictures, in this video I'm taking, I just brought it in from outside after dusting it off and taking a better look at it on the inside to make sure that the components were in good shape, and I couldn't see any obvious damage to any of the boards or components in the system. And making basically a safety check first. Of course, safety first always, and kind of get an idea what kind of condition this thing is in. And as far as I could tell, I took a flashlight to it, looked it through. I didn't see any blown caps or anything like that, or shorts or anything like that, or dark spots on wires that look like they may have been shorted and burned. Nothing like that. Everything, the knobs and everything seemed to work well, and the the inputs on the back, the RCA jacks, they seemed in real good shape. And when I first plugged it in, though, I used the headphones, and that headphone jack did crackle. One side kind of just went on, and then as I turned up the volume, and I'm not sure what's going on with it at first, they both came in and sounded really well. And I was just using the FM, and it may just be the tuner or something, or maybe that one source, But maybe it just needed to warm. Maybe it's been sitting around for 10 years. I don't know, and it just needed to warm up. But it sounded good after a few minutes. And so at the end of this video, I'm going to let you enjoy a little music that I played through it coming out of my PC, my gaming computer. It's built-in audio into the TV/aux input of this receiver with my small bookshelf Polk audio speakers only. I do have a subwoofer, but it was just a test, and I just wanted to see if this thing worked. Because one of the most common things you find with these older systems, when they go out, they start to have problems, is one channel goes out, and so you're stuck with one channel, and crackly volume knobs, or tone control knobs, degrading pots or whatever, the control knobs. And so far it seemed in good shape. So as you can see by these pictures, man, it is in excellent shape actually, and I couldn't believe there was only light dust in it. So I'm thinking it was put away maybe in a closet, in a garage that was environmentally controlled, AC. It wasn't an open space, in other words, to outside dust and air. And I don't think anybody took it apart before. It didn't seem like it was. If they did a good job about putting it back together. So here you go. Here's a little test that I did.